This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So they froze. You not turn off, no on. You can't do nothing with that. So that happened. You need to restart it. So how you can restart the iPhone 12 Pro Max? So I will show you how you can do that. So very simple. So touch with me. Look over here. So this is the 12 Pro Max. So that condition you can't press anything else. Even you can press here, volume up, but you can't turn it off. So that you need to restart it. Let's see how you can restart it. So restart it. So that you volume up, volume down, and hold the button couple seconds. The phone is automatic off. And you can see the Apple logo. So not Apple logo, that means is phone is restart right now. So भूलना नहीं, volume up, volume down, and the power button. Hold it a couple seconds, and then the phone is restarted. Your phone is completely restarted. So now is working everything now. So you can see that is working everything right now. So you can see that everything is working right now. So that's the job. Thank you for watching. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max.